So today we're going to be going over using the mobile application's location management module. We're going to be going over some of the settings and views available, the filters, and what each of them does, as well as different ways to utilize this module. So let's get started. So from the mobile app's home screen, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click this more icon down here. I'm going to go to location management. So again, just going from top to bottom, first over here you have your refresh button. You have this which allows you to either expand or collapse all of these icons down here. So I could easily expand them all in one go or leave them all collapsed and individually expand the ones I wanted to look. And then of course I have my filter icon over here. So let's go ahead and explore that really quick. So first, you've got your sorting by priority or by location. So just like the daily worksheet, you can kind of sort by either. So this is kind of nice depending on what you want it for. If you're just looking for a list of horses on the property, maybe you want to sort by location. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on sorting by priority. And then of course down here we can also sort a little further by all active patients, all reminders, checked only, non-checked, and then palpation only, checked only, and non-checked as well. So just kind of depending on what we want. If I scroll down a little further, I can also filter by priority. So if I don't want to see certain priorities, I can go ahead and uncheck those. And same thing with locations as well. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these the way they are. So you can see here on these are each level of each priority. You can see how many locations, what the L is, there are in each priority. So there are 5 different locations. And then how many patients are in each priority. So L stands for location, P stands for patients, and you can see the total up top as well. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to expand all of these so you can see all the mares listed under each one. And you can actually also view tags as well. I'm going to go ahead and keep scrolling down so you can actually, if you click and hold, you can actually open up the patient file from here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit no. So this is also going to be where you will be able to change locations as well, which is going to come out in the next version. But for right now, this is a really great list to view all your horses on your property, any horses with reminders, and especially right now it is really great to use hand in hand with the daily worksheet so that everyone has essentially a copy of the daily worksheet in their back pocket. And the best way to do that is kind of using these filters, maybe sort by priority or location depending on what you prefer, but coming down here and selecting palpation non-checked only. Okay, and so that way it's really easy for everyone to understand what horses still need to be seen. Okay, so as you go through your daily worksheet and you're checking mares, it automatically updates every time you enter in a palpation and she becomes checked. Then those who have the filter set to see only unchecked will see her off the list. So today we went over some of the basics of using the location management module in the mobile application, including different settings and views available, the filters available, and of course a couple different ways you can use the location management application. As always, please check back for more. We will be adding new features to this as well. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.